chair today, and we put together. It's a beautiful chair. It's black and blue. We couldn't decide on what color to get. The blue and red ones, or the red and black ones, are very nice, but we got the blue. This is the size. The arms is blue. It's very sturdy. It's got a nice soft headrest. It's made out of good material, and the threads is good. It's got some lumbar support. No, not lumbar, but if you know anything about chairs, you know what that is. Your height adjustment is here where it raises up and down, and it's got this nice gamer or office chair, whatever you call it. I call it a gamer's chair. Some people call it office chair. You decide what you want to call it, but that's what it is. It's heavy-duty casters on it, and it's weight rated for over 300 pounds. Believe it or not, it's pretty sturdy. It's a nice chair. Can't beat it. We're very well satisfied.
I wanted to show you this really nice gaming and office chair by Play Haha. So first of all, it came with this great set of instructions. All the tools were labeled, and it didn't take long at all to assemble this chair. So it has a great padded headrest, a breathable back and seat, and more padding down here at the legs. It's very thick. Great armrests, which are also padded. It swivels. And underneath we can see that it does have casters, so you can roll it. It has a tension adjustment knob, and it also adjusts for height, which locks or can be moved freely.